Let's start with the smaller counterpart. Links to all these down in the description and pinned comment, guys. We're looking at the Nextool S0. I mean, first impressions, I like how narrow it is, and it does seem like this one's going for that keychain aesthetics. And being someone who actually has different keychain accessories and whatnot, I absolutely love the mini flagship. That has been my go-to for quite some time now. This one is pretty narrow, and I do like that a lot right off the bat. We'll do some size comparisons later on in the video, show you what I've been carrying and so on. But yeah, definitely got that keychain aesthetic going on, and then very narrow profile. I like the sort of lines and, you know, kind of very futuristic looking, right, in the design. Let's go ahead and get it open here. What are we working with? We're working with a pair of scissors, right? Not just any pair of scissors. These are the, yeah, they're the serrated kind on the one side. I call them teeth. So once it bites into material, you know, it's absolutely going to cut through it. No doubt about it. So that, yeah, these are going to be pretty handy scissors, to say the least. Let's zoom out just a tad bit. Okay, let's just test them here, right, on the packaging. Oh, yeah. Absolutely getting some work done. The teeth, man, these are game changing, right? Because they actually grip or hang on to the material, trap the material as you're going through the cut, right? It's not going to do any funny business, and you're absolutely going to get the cut done there, no doubt about it. All right, so clearly, right, works pretty good there in the scissors department. So we have anything else? I think the other tools are accessible from the outside. So here we go. We have a bottle opener here on this side with a flathead, kind of like a pry bar utility as well. Then we have a tiny one. Look at this tiny little guy right here. A tiny flathead as well. And then we have, last but not least, some screwdrivers. Now, the reason why I'm sure these showed up in this sort of packaging and not the actual box is because they sent these to me probably before these launch. And I probably done Nextool a disservice. These have been sitting in my queue here for quite some time. The truth is, I got so slammed over the holidays. Q4 is insane. If you don't know, as a content reviewer, right, we get so much gear in. Then I got sick for 2 weeks, and then, you know, next thing you know, I'm playing catch up. But yeah, now that I'm checking it out here, I'm like, man, this is absolutely something. We got a Phillips flathead in the front. We have a file on one side. Check that out. So that's everything on this side. Obviously, what we're prioritizing on this one are the scissors. So like on-the-go scissors. It makes sense, right? S for scissors, right? S0. So let's take a look on the other side. We have, now what is this? What in the world would this be? I have no idea. All right, I'm about to take a picture and ask ChatGPT, what in the world is this thing? But if I had to take a guess, to me it seems like a pair of tweezers. That's gonna be my educated guess. Just a pair of tweezers. Tweezers. Why am I putting an accent on that? Tweezers. But yeah, I'm just gonna double check to make sure. But that seems it, right? That seems like 1, 3, that's 4, and then 5 here with the scissors on this guy. That is the main thing on the Nextool S0. Hope you guys really enjoyed this one. If you made it to the end, you're the real MVP. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Either this one or this one. Peace.